Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ there, that's better, a little bit, fair. EPHQ, and welcome to another episode of the Roxy and Delila show. Oh, so if you're watching, ha ha ha. And that's R-O-X-Y, not R-O-X-Z-Y, or else I'm gonna get throat punch from Roxy the next time I say that. So yeah, but no, for reals though, for real dough. Welcome to another episode of Raw 365, where we get real authentic and at times, well, we just broke it. Weird. And today's episode is all about what is my favorite location and why. That's a heavy topic. It's very heavy, and I just can't quite get comfortable on my chair today. At least it's not squeaky chair. But, like, for real though, I don't have a favorite location. I have secret locations that none of y'all know about. My clients do, but y'all that take pictures and films, I know you guys don't know about them because I won't tell you, and I don't disclose it. So I don't have like favorite locations. I have some secret locations, but I'll tell you what my favorite, like air quotes, favorite location would be a location completely unexpected, not of the norm, and that neither I nor my client nor anybody else would ever think of, and also a location that's not been photographed or filmed in before. Yeah, that's my favorite. Like, for real though. I've photographed in bathrooms, garbage dumpsters behind malls, like the Beverly Center, rooftops, middle of the streets, like scary parts. Soto in East LA, like totally crazy places. And not the stereotypical stuff where you'd be like, oh, I recognize that place. It's like, no. I prefer to shoot where nobody else has. And there was actually an app that came out years ago that would use the EXIF data and everything that's embedded in the photos, and it would be able to tell you, oh, well, so many other thousands, millions, and people have photographed or filmed here before, which then kind of points out like how basic and generic have we become as a photography community and as a filmmaking community, which really, like, that's a whole other topic that we're not going to talk about today. But what do you think? Do you have a favorite location that you like to film or photograph in? And are you willing to share? Sharing is caring. And if so, you know where to put it. Downstairs in the kilt zone. Yeah, buddy. But for real though, like, love to be able to see and hear more about what you guys do. That's it. I'm gonna wrap it up. Yeah. So that's it. And this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ Roxy and Delila HQ for another episode of the Roxy and Delila Raw 365 show, where we get real authentic and Roxy and Delila and weird and crazy, and Roxy with R-O-X-Y, not R-O-X-Z-Y. And if you're a follower, and I appreciate it, thank you so much. You're the best. Yeah, finger guns and snaps. We should do an episode about finger guns and snaps. And if you're not, well, you're missing out on the agile mind of David Esquire, that's all I'm gonna say. Remember, sharing is caring. Like, comment, share, hit the bell, ding dong, notifications, ravens. And other than that, I'm desperate for some because I have not had enough today. I had like crazy drone issues I was dealing with today. But yeah, stay caffeinated. Oh, I'm sorry. And stay caffeinated. And I'll see you soon. Bye, Roxy, R-O-X-Z-Y. Ah!